Have you ever wondered how AI understands your words? The secret lies in something called tokens. A token is a small piece of text that AI processes. A token can be a word, part of a word, punctuation mark, or even a single character. Before understanding text, AI converts it into tokens. For example, a long word may be split into multiple smaller tokens. AI doesn't read text like humans do. It reads and predicts tokens. Every response is generated one token at a time. The number of tokens also determines how much information an AI model can remember during a conversation. This is called the context window. Tokens are the fundamental units of language that power modern AI. Understanding tokens helps you better understand how AI models think, learn, and respond.